So we have seen a lot of innovation, inventions, fabrication from Nigerians, but I think this one from this young man is another wonder to behold. He has just manufactured a cooking flame, let me just call it a cooking flame, with petrol and water. And as you can see from this video, he will blow it, and as he's blowing it, the flame is coming out from the burner. And to him, he has succeeded in manufacturing a cooker that is affordable for Nigerians, because currently the cost of cooking gas varies, across various states in Nigeria. Some places in Abuja they are buying 650, some 700, some places in Lagos I heard 500. So he's just blowing this pipe, stirring up the petrol in the plastic bottle, and also the water in the other plastic bottle, and the flame is coming. So if Nigerians are to use this, how many hours are they going to blow it to cook beans? Someone commented, how many hours are we going to blow this to cook beans? Maybe he needs to assemble all his family members for him to cook beans, because it takes time to cook beans. To me, I just conclude that if investment is made in this talent, something could be produced out of it. But as it is currently, it's just a suicide flame, or maybe suicide gas or whatever. It should not even be tried at home. This is deadly. It's deadly, and I don't even recommend it.